To print an existing sales form in QuickBooks Online, open the sales form to print. In the toolbar at the bottom of the Forms window, then click either the Print or Preview button for credit memos, refund receipts, and sales receipts, the Print or Download button for invoices and estimates, or the Print button for sales orders and received payments. For credit memos, refund receipts, and sales receipts, then select the Print or Preview command. For invoices, estimates, and sales orders, then select the Print command. Doing this then opens a PDF preview of the form in a new window or tab. To print the sales form, either right-click the preview and then select the Print command in the pop-up menu that appears, or click the Print icon in the PDF Preview's toolbar to open a print dialog box that lets you print the form. If you cannot see the PDF preview or you cannot print it, you can click a button in the toolbar of the PDF window to save or download a PDF copy of the sales form, which you can print from your computer using a PDF viewer, like Adobe Acrobat Reader, for example. After printing it or downloading it, you can then close the window or tab. Alternatively, you can also batch print many sales forms at once, except for sales orders and payments, by using the Batch Actions button at the top of the list on the Sales Transactions page. To open the Sales Transactions page in QuickBooks Online, select the Sales Transactions command under the Sales and Get Paid app in the All Apps bar. Then, check the checkboxes next to the items to print in the list. Then click the Batch Actions button above the Transactions list. Select the Print command from the drop-down menu that appears to open a new tab or window, which shows all the forms you selected in a PDF preview. To print the forms after previewing them, click the Print icon in the toolbar at the top of the PDF preview, or right-click within the PDF preview and select the Print command that appears. When finished, close the PDF preview window to return to the Sales Transactions page. If you print any sales forms saved with the Print Later setting enabled, QuickBooks Online then asks if you want to mark the selected transactions as printed in a dialog box that then appears in this page. Click the Yes or No button as needed. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.